Most people use Google to search. I use Google to make money, and the specific part of Google I'm using right now that almost zero affiliate marketers know about is generating me consistent commissions every single month. Just last month I have made $38,672 from Google using AI without running a single Google ad. Here is what I mean. Google has multiple platforms most affiliate marketers never think to use. You have Google Maps, Google Shopping, Google My Business, YouTube Search, Google Discover. Each one is different traffic river. And with AI, you can drop your affiliate offers into all of them in a minute. That's the system. Google traffic source, AI creating the content, affiliate commissions following from every direction. I'm going to break down every piece of this system in this video step by step with real examples of exactly what I post. This is the Google affiliate method for 2026, and let's start. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions. This is my affiliate account dashboard. I have been doing this business for over 6 years. This commission that I made last month, it's already paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. This is my invoice and this is a recent payment request details. It's paid as you guys can see here, okay? $38,672, okay? It's already paid. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using Google, step number one, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program. The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr affiliates. So step number one, just go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and just keep scrolling down. Go to company, scroll more down. You should see here affiliate. Click on affiliate like this. It's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can scroll down to check the commission plan and see how much you can earn with this affiliate marketing program. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, they are paying high commissions. So for example, for pro services, you can earn up to 70% of the first order, okay? And for other services, they are paying 25% of the first order. It's a really good commission. The best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if a person buys service from your affiliate link, you earn 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months for 1 year, you keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. You can turn this into a passive income. You guys can learn more. If you promote also logo services, you can earn $30 for first order, okay? Anyway, if you want to create your affiliate account, go back and click here on join now. It's gonna take you to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. They will ask you, do you have main source of traffic? Click on this one and click on yes, okay? And here is what you will do. You just need to put here your social media profile page, okay? If you have an Instagram profile page, you can put your link here, YouTube channel link, Pinterest profile link, Facebook page link, and so on, okay? And click on country and choose your country from here. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany. Just search for your country from here. You can click here to choose your language. Once you finish, you can put your Telegram if you have. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, your CTR, people who used your affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, and people who used your affiliate link to buy services from you, okay? So it's clear. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on Google, okay? And you need to promote services that has a high demand, and you need to promote services that solve problems for people, okay, that will help people to grow their businesses. That's how you can win, okay. So pay close attention, please. You will go back to Google, okay, and search for restaurant USA, okay. Search for restaurant USA. No, guys, we are not targeting just USA. You can also target United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. All countries. You can even also promote this business in your country, okay. So search for restaurant USA, and here you go. Google, guys, will give you a lot of restaurants located in United States over here on Google, okay. So what we will do next, guys, is we will choose one of those restaurants, and we need to choose those restaurants that are not ranking on Google good, that are not ranking the first ones, okay, like those, okay. Like this one is ranking number one, okay, like this one, Cafe Monarch. This restaurant is ranking number one, okay. What we will do is we will go to those restaurants over here. We will scroll down like this one. It's not ranking in the first page. Just click on this restaurant like this, and this is their location here on Google Map. I will click on this one here, and here you go, okay. You guys will see this bar, okay. So what we will do next here, you guys can see, if we scroll down, they have a phone number, okay. They have also websites, okay, so which is really good. So if you speak English, you can pick their phone and you can make a call and provide this service that I will share with you, okay. That will help them to rank higher on Google, okay. Also, if you don't speak English, that's fine. You can click on their website, okay. They have a website here, you see. If we click on their website like this, it's gonna take you to their website, okay, to their restaurant website. So what you will do next, you will scroll down and see if you can find an option or their social media links or their email, okay. So you can contact this restaurant, okay. If you can't use their phone number, you can also go to their website and use their social media profile to reach out to them, okay. So let me show you. As an example, like you guys can see, they have Facebook, they have Twitter here, X, they have YouTube, they have Instagram. Also, we have here press, okay. Let's click on this one. We can find their email here, and here you go, okay. This is what I'm talking about. You guys can see, we can find their email. They have an email here for all media inquiries. You can please contact our agency. They have their email here, okay, which is good. So what we will do next, we will go back to Fiverr. Go back to your Fiverr homepage. So the service that you guys will start promoting to those restaurant businesses, local businesses, is Google My Business. Click on the search and search for Google My Business. This, guys, this service is very important. If you have local business, you need Google My Business service that will help you, your local business, to rank higher on Google Maps, because a lot of people, they are using Google to search for restaurants, to search for cafes, to search for clothing stores. They are using Google, okay. So it's very important for your local business to rank higher on Google, okay. So you can get customers also from Google. So here is what you will do. Search for Google My Business, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service. So what you will do next is you need to choose a good seller. How you can choose good seller? Always choose like level 1 top rated sellers, pro sellers, and level 2 sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. Choose sellers who can provide good service for those businesses, okay. Because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers, they will check the feedback of their customers. If you are using good sellers, you can win and you can make commissions, okay. So let me show you as an example. I'm gonna choose like this one. You guys can see this one is top rated. It's pro seller, okay. This one is pro seller. He has over 1,000 reviews. This service starting from $250. We have also this one, a pro service, okay. This one is pro seller. Also, this one has over 1,000 reviews. This service starting from $150, okay. Our agency will optimize your Google Map ranking. This is a really good one, okay. So what we will do, we will choose one, okay. So let me find, I'm gonna choose like, I think I will choose this one. the first one here, this pro seller. Okay, I will click on his service. Just click on the seller service that you want to use, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see 2 orders in queue. Already people are paying for the service, which is really good. So what we will do, we will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliates account. Click on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, report, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr Pro new plan. If you are promoting pro services, you will copy your affiliate link from here always. Okay, if you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated seller, you will copy your affiliate link from here. For me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr Step A old plan, because like I said in the beginning of the video, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I do have an old Fiverr affiliate account, but this Fiverr Pro new plan, it's better. Okay, anyway, so you have now created your affiliate link. You need to promote this affiliate link on Google. Okay, for people who want to take this business seriously and they want to go deeper and learn more about this business, I do have an affiliate marketing course that is explaining everything from scratch, step by step, how you can promote your affiliate links on Google, on YouTube, on Reddit, on Quora, and so much more, and how you can use AI, because what's working right now is AI. You guys can create content by AI, full content. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to use your voice. You can use completely AI tools that will make everything for you: SEO, content, thumbnails, videos, editing, everything. Okay, I explained everything inside my course. For people who want to take this business seriously and you want to make serious money with affiliate marketing, you guys feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and they will send you all the details. Okay, anyway, let's complete our video. We need to promote this affiliate link on Google. Okay, what we will do next, we will go to this restaurant website, okay, that we find on Google. Okay, and they have here an email. Okay, we will click on their email, and here you go. You see, you just need to send a professional email to this restaurant. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, I will click on don't save. So to create, guys, a professional email, we will go to ChatGPT. Okay, and we will ask him create. So just go to ChatGPT, guys, and ask him to create a professional email that you will send to restaurant businesses to buy Google My Business service from you to help them rank #1 on Google and include my website link. And here you go. ChatGPT will give you guys this professional email. You see this? So let's check.
Subject: get your restaurant ranked #1 on Google and attract more customers. Hi, I hope your name. I hope you're doing well. I specialize in helping restaurants like yours attract more customers by optimizing their Google presence, specifically through Google My Business, GMB. Right now, when people search for places to eat in your area, the restaurants that show up at the top of Google get the majority of the traffic, calls, and walk-ins. If your business isn't ranking in those top spots, you're missing out on a significant number of potential customers every single day. That's exactly where I can help. With my Google My Business optimization service, I will fully optimize your GMB profile for maximum visibility. Help your restaurant rank higher, even #1 in local searches. Improve your reviews strategy to build trust and credibility. Increase calls, reservations, and foot traffic. Keep your listing active and engaging with regular updates. My goal is simple: get your restaurant more customers consistently. You can learn more about my services here. Insert your website link here. If you're interested, I'd be happy to do a quick free audit of your current Google listing and show you exactly what improvements can be made. Let me know if you'd like to get started or have any questions. Looking forward to helping your restaurant grow.
And here you go. You guys can see we have a professional email. You can put your here, insert your website link. What you will put here is your affiliate link. Okay, so let me show you. We can copy this. Okay, and we can go back to this website, to this restaurant's website. We can click on their email. Okay, you see here, and we can put this email here, paste. Okay, you see. So here, let me show you guys. So here, you need to put here your your website link. Okay, your affiliate link. So what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, Fiverr Pro new plan. This is your affiliate link. Copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, this affiliate link is too much long. I will go and search for short. You guys can search for this website that make long links short links to make it looks more professional and branding. Okay, put your affiliate link here, click on short, and here you go, copy. So this is your short link. You will paste your affiliate link here. You see, this is your affiliate link, and that's it. That's exactly, guys. Okay, you can edit this, and here you go. You see, you have a professional email, so you can send this email to this restaurant, and you don't have just one. Okay, let me show you guys. And if you guys go back to Google, you can see that you have a lot of restaurants here that you can work with. Okay, you have a lot. If you speak English, like I said, and make a call, tell them that you provide Google My Business service to help them rank higher on Google. If you know how to do it, how to convince those people, you can really make a lot of commissions. Okay, so for example, if you convince just two people, just two restaurants, two local businesses, just two, okay, let me show you how much you can earn. Okay, if we go back to this seller profile page, this service starting from $250. Okay, if you remember, for pro services, we will earn 70% of the first order. Okay, let's go back to ChatGPT and ask him. So what is, okay, 70% of $250? Okay, they are paying good commissions. Okay, you guys can see it's $175 for just one customer, just one client can buy this service from your affiliate link. You will earn $175. Okay, and I shared with you guys, this is what's working right now. I shared with you almost everything. You look how many businesses you have here. Okay, not just a restaurant. Like I said, you can search also for clothing stores. Okay, clothing stores in United States, and here you go. You see, you can find a lot. You can also go to maps. Okay, you can click on maps and you will find a lot. Okay, clothing stores. What you can promote to those clothing stores, you can promote, let me show you. Okay, you can promote Facebook ads. They need Facebook ads to promote their clothing, so their clothing products. Okay, and they need Facebook ads service. You can promote this service if you know how to market and how to provide this service to those local businesses. You can make a lot of money. Okay, you can promote like this service, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Look, it's already, I'm sharing with you what's working. Those services has high demand. You guys can see here we have just this one single seller has 102 orders in queue. Okay, over 2,000 people paid for this service. You have a lot of services that you can promote on Google. Okay, let's go back, let's go over here to all clothing. You have also coffee. Okay, Coffee USA. Okay, you can search for Coffee USA. You can go also to maps. Here you go, you will find a lot. Okay, and you have a lot, like I said, a lot of services, guys, not just in United States. Okay, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. If you want to learn more about this business, how you can also promote, because I'm not promoting my affiliate links also just on Google. I'm using also Pinterest, I'm using YouTube and Reddit and Quora. Okay, and I'm explaining everything inside my course step by step. Plus you get my support. Me and my team, we will keep following up with you until you understand everything, until you run your business correctly. Okay, this is the difference between working with me and working with other people. They will give you the information and leave you. Okay, we don't do that. We provide coaching services. We follow up with you until you fully understand everything. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.